Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can turn off notifications on Temu, so let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm logged in on the web browser version. The same process applies for the mobile version as well. You just need to locate your settings and go into your notification settings in any way possible. Now, this might differ on the mobile version. You might need to enter your account first and then go to the settings tab. However, on the PC, it's a bit easier. All you have to do is just hover over your account avatar, call it whatever you want, then scroll down until you see notifications. Just click on that, and that's going to open up your notifications menu. Now, for some notifications, you might need a phone number tied to your accounts. For example, the SMS messages or WhatsApp messages. If you have your account or your phone connected to your account, this will be on, and all you have to do to disable your notifications is click on edit and make sure whichever messages you don't want to receive, that the slider here is to the left and that it is grayed out. Now, as you'll notice, pretty much all of my messages are turned off. As you'll see, I don't have a phone number, so I can't receive SMS messages anyway. However, I do have an email, and it is grayed out because I manually just disabled them. Order updates, I would recommend you turn these on for your email if you plan on ordering anything, just so that you know anything that you want, or just to get updates on your orders to make sure everything is going smoothly. For customer activity, that is dependent on if you're selling or not, I guess. And you can also turn off avatar and username sharing as notifications as well. And that's pretty much all you have to do to, well, control your notifications on Temu pretty much. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.